Okay, so you've finished editing your video and it's time to share it. So come up here in the upper right hand corner. This is the share button. So click on that, and right here there's different options, but I'm going to ask you to share the actual video file. So click on File. You get this window right here. I've already named this Library Test. If it just comes up blank or whatever, you can put in, you can put in your own name. And everything looks good here. Resolution 1080p, quality high, faster. These settings probably should come up as a default, and that's good for now. Click on Next. So this very small menu is going to appear like this. And if you click on this little triangle right here, it will expand the menu. And you'll want to go down to the Brooks server over here, navigate to your digital storytelling folder, where you should have a folder named Completed Projects. For demonstration purposes, I have a Completed Projects folder here on my desktop. And so it's saving it as library. I'll click Save. And then right in this upper corner here, once again, you'll see this little indicator that shows you that your video is being exported. This is a very short video. It's 10 seconds, so it's not taking long to export. However, obviously with a longer video, that process will take longer. So I'm going to close that. I'm going to go to a browser, Safari or Chrome. I search for Google account, and right here, and I'm going to pull up my Google account. Excuse me. I'm going to come right here to this little menu, all my different apps. Click on that and go to YouTube. Once I'm in YouTube, I can click right here to create a video. And I want to do upload video. So you can drag the file on here, or I'm just going to click to select a file, and I'm going to go to my desktop, to my Completed Projects folder, grab my library file, and click Open. So right now it's uploading, and one thing you want to maybe take a look at right here is the settings. So right now the default setting is that your video is public. You could have it unlisted, private, or scheduled. So maybe if you don't want your video public, you could click unlisted, which means that anyone with the link can see it, but people won't just be able to find it on their own. For the purposes of the course, please either use unlisted or public so that we can see your video, because if it's private, we'd need a password to see the video. Okay, so the processing is done. I am clicking right here, and my video is on YouTube. Now again, this happened very quickly because it was such a short video. And as I think you know, to share this on Pinterest, you'd come down here to share, click on share, and then click on Pinterest, and then choose the proper board and so on. So that's how you become a that's how you become a YouTube star.